Hello, and today we will be making a chicken wrap. You will need these ingredients: chicken, lettuce, onion, tomato, mayo, salt and pepper, and tortilla wraps. Any kind of chicken patties will work, generic brands of any kind, doesn't matter. See, we have our lettuce, our chicken, it's frozen at the moment, cooked to bag instructions of course, our mayo, that will be going on the tortilla, our tomato on the left, onion on the right, salt and pepper, of course, and the tortilla wraps. So here we have our ingredients all ready to put together. Our tomatoes, onions, our lettuce, our chicken with cheese on top, cut to the sides. We will start by putting the mayo on. Doesn't have to be a certain amount of mayo, depends on how much you like your mayo. I like not too much mayo on mine, so I like to thinly spread out my mayo so that way my sandwich isn't gooing out the sauce or anything like that. And it doesn't overcome the rest of the flavor between the condiments of the tomato, lettuce, onion, and the chicken. Our salt and pepper next. That is optional. If you don't want to put salt and pepper on it, you don't have to. Next, we will put our chicken on. Now, we put them on a certain way so that way the tortilla wrap can fold. Put them like so. Then our lettuce, tomato, and onion. No specific order, doesn't matter. You can put as much lettuce, tomato, and onion on it. Of course, the more you put on it, the less room you'll have for the tortilla to wrap. So I put just enough to top it, but not enough to overcome it. Then you fold it, and then fold it again, and then fold it one more time. Push down a little bit so the tortilla molds to the actual chicken wrap and stuff. Let's go get a knife. Now I cut from diagonal to diagonal because it gives it a nice fancy look when you present your sandwich. It always looks nice and professional looking. I know I already said that. Just spread them apart just a little bit, and voila, your sandwich is done.